Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to create a girl in InfinityCraft. So grab a water with another water to create a lake. Now take a fire and other fire to create a volcano. Combine them to get an island. Now combine island and island to continent. Now take earth and other earth. Create a mountain, combine them over Asia. Now combine the island over Japan. Now take a water and fire to create a steam. Now combine them, take anime, make an anime. Now take earth, wind to create a dust. Combine with earth, you have a planet. Now take wind and create a sense. Oh, oh, wind and dust to create a windstorm. Sandstorm, my bad. Now combine it with planet, you have Mars. Now take earth and water to create a plant and combine them to get a potato. Now fire the potato, you have a sheep. Now fire it again to create a cookie. And combine these two, and you have a girl. Last one that you see. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you later.